Good day from Kamakura, Japan on this Wednesday, February 25th. Yeah, we have a cold rain today. We haven't had much rain this winter, so this is quite welcome. And we've got high winds this morning, extremely high. Feels like what's called in Japanese Haru, the first high winds of spring, a harbinger of spring. Yeah, they've been blowing all night. Oh, and I see it rained overnight. Oh, look at that. I even knocked over my furniture here. I'll leave them here for now. They'll just get blown over again. So, no worries. Oh, yeah, we've got some very high winds. Now this morning I'm going to make some ice cream with just 3 ingredients. I'm using mango chunks, which I took out of the freezer overnight and let them thaw out, about 400 grams, condensed milk, and cream. I'm using about 1 liter of cream and an equal amount of condensed milk. That's it. Okay, here I'm going to strain my mangoes just to get any liquid out. The liquid will freeze, and I don't want ice water. I want ice cream. Okay, so not much liquid, that's good. Next I'll pour in my cream. Okay, so we'll get the cream going. And over here I'm going to put my mango through the food processor just to make smaller pieces, just to break them up a bit. Not too much. That should be good enough. Okay. I think we got some nice peaks there. Next we add the condensed milk. Okay, that's good. Now we add the mangoes. And from the whisk to the paddle. Okay, and then we'll mix this up. Okay, about 30 seconds or so is enough. Okay, and next we fill our containers. Here we go. And we'll scrape down the bowl. And we'll top everything off. Yeah, these will be slightly more creamier. Alright. Okay. Let's do a little cleanup. And now we put the lids on. Okay, and these will go into the freezer. Okay. Just making some space for them. And hopefully these will be frozen by afternoon. Fingers crossed. Yeah, I'm looking forward to some ice cream later on. Let's see how the temperature's here. Yeah, they look pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. Cloudy and windy morning. Should be nice later on. So let's see what we have here. Let's start here. Yeah, we've got 80.6 in the large tower here. We'll take a look in a moment. And let's see what we have in the smaller tower here. Okay, I'm seeing some growth here. Let's see, what do we have? Okay, this is marigold, and I see we have some sprouts here. A little hard to see in that light. Now there we go. 4 sprouts there. Very good, very good. Let's see, what else do we have? Something here. Let's see, what have we here? Ah, melons. Yeah, we've got a sprout coming out there. Very good. Okay. And it looks like we might have one here as well. Kind of hard to tell. I'll wait on that for a little while. Okay, nothing over this side. But I'm seeing more here. What do we have here? Yeah, these are turnips. Very nice. And what's this here? The mini hawk's eye. Good. Butternut squash. Very nice. Okay, and I see something poking through here. These are the Shinsu runner beans. And maybe here and here as well. Nothing here yet. Yeah, these will take a little while longer. So we've got turnips, mini hawk's eye, butternut squash, melons, and marigold. Very good, very good. And let's see, what do we have over on this side here? Okay, let's take a good look here. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, the edamame is really growing, and hopefully we've got some more poking through here. Very good. The basil is looking good. I'll thin that and divide it. And here, the wing beans are looking good. Very nice. The pumpkin here and the cucumber coming in nicely, as is the arugula. And looks like our Mexican capuchi is coming in nicely there. Okay, and the 2 types of mini tomatoes really looking good. And here I see some strawberries coming in. Very good, very good. The Italian parsley is coming in, the curly parsley. Very good, very good. Yeah, this is looking very nice, very nice. Yeah, and since these are getting their true leaves here, I've put some liquid fertilizer in this water container here to give them some extra added nutrients. Okay, so yeah, they look very good, very good. Yeah, this is the liquid fertilizer that I'm using, just to give the plants some extra added nutrition. So things are looking pretty good here. Yeah, week 2. Very nice, very nice. And the fan here is not so loud anymore. Yeah, that's bearable. So things are looking good here. In a little while I'll decide which tower I'll keep them in. Yeah, once these get a little bit bigger, yeah, I'll move some over here and vice versa. But yeah, I'm very happy with this. This looks really good, really good. Very happy to see all that growth. Well, I've been thinking about how I'm going to deal with the critters that I have in my garden. The squirrels, the tanuki, the birds. So I've come up with some possible solutions here. And one of them is an electric fence system. Here we have one, an electric fence here. These are high output pulses. I also have another possibility of using polywire stranded electric fence. Yeah, that's a good idea. And here down below is an energizer. Yeah, so what else do we have here? Yeah, here's an Apollo electric fence. Yeah, it's got wires and looks like poles there that you push into the ground and attach the wires to the poles. That's a possibility. 28,000 yen, bit expensive. I like this tiger net type electric fence. Yeah, again, a little expensive, but I think over the years it might be worth it. And here too, I like this here. Yeah, the one in the middle. Yeah, this is an electric net to keep out Araiguma tanuki. That's not too expensive, 23,000. And down below, the Suimatsu electric fence for monkeys. No monkeys in this part of Japan. So I'm going to take some time and try to figure out which might be the best one here. So stay tuned. か。ご挨拶。こんにちは。こんにちは。大丈夫、大丈夫。大丈夫でしょ。大丈夫でしょ。ありがとう。ありがとう。ありがとう。5 turtles. I've never seen 5 together all at once. Konnichiwa. Oh, they cleared the tree that fell. What was it, the year before last? Okay, we're back from our afternoon walk and Haru's about to eat. I think I'm going to have some ice cream. Yeah, let's see if it's ready. Went way in the back, should be frozen. Ready. Oh yeah, it's ready. Oh, that's quite frozen. Mango ice cream. Alrighty, one of my favorite cookies to go along with this. I think we're ready. Looks good. Let's see how my mango ice cream tastes. I like this. This is a winner. A simple 3-ingredient dessert. This is good. Okay, let's see how our seedlings are doing on this Tuesday morning. Well, the temperature looks good. That's in the big tower here. And here in the small tower, we're about 24 degrees centigrade. Not bad. And we've got lots of growth. Look at that. Very nice. See the wing beans are pushing through. The root is pushing the bean upward there. You can see the bean there. Here as well. Over here though, the only thing that has sprouted is the cucumber over here, one melon here, and the marigolds have sprouted. So we're waiting on the jalapeno, the eggplant, the cabbage, and another melon here, and over here the kabocha, cilantro, and lantana. But over here, yeah, we're looking good. The turnips have come in. Okay, what is this here? The mini hocksai, butternut squash, no Swiss chard yet, and no bell pepper, and the Goya, I'm waiting on that. The Peru, yeah, they may take a while, and the paprika here. But yeah, the Shinsu runner beans are poking up. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, let's see, what do we have in here? Okay, these look good. I'm going to take the tray out. I need to tend to these here. I need to thin them. And we'll take a look at the others here to see if they need repotting or not. Yeah, they look very good. Okay, let's see, what do we have here? I think I'll start on this side. Yeah, we've got roots coming out of the bottom. That's very nice, look at that. Okay, getting a little wet here. Maybe I should get another tray. Okay, where were we? Yeah, we've got nice roots coming out of the bottom here. Very good, very good. And that's looking good. Yeah, I'll wait a few more days, get some more root growth there, and then I'll up-pot this. Okay. How are we doing here? Let's take these out. Yeah, I'll do the same with this here. Yeah, they look about the same height and growth. Well, this one's slightly bigger, but still this one's coming along. And we have the edamame here. Yeah, this is the winged bean, and these are the edamame. Okay, so what I'm thinking of doing here is thinning some of this basil here. I don't need all of that. So I'll use my trusty Saboten shears. These are trimming shears. Okay. Boy, I can smell the basil already. Very nice. Okay. So I'm wondering if I should take these out by the roots or just cut them. Yeah, I'm just going to cut them back. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll save these cuttings here and maybe use them in a salad or something like that. Yeah, I'll trim these way back, and then what I'll do is have the stronger plant go out into the garden. So I don't want to pull them out and try to replant them, and their roots might be a little bit delicate. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Yeah, here you can see the, what do we have here? Yeah, the Italian parsley is coming in, at least in these two spots here. We'll wait on these and see what happens. Yeah, okay. And this here is another winged bean. Yeah, this one is not as perky as the other here. So let's move these back. And let's see, what do we have here? As you can see, the strawberries are coming in here. And these are the mini tomatoes. They're looking good. Yeah, I'll go ahead and snip this small one off here. And I'll wait to see how this one does. Yeah, this small one here I'll get rid of. And this small one over here as well. So that leaves me with 2 each, and we'll see which one survives. Yeah, same thing down here. I'll leave 2 in each. So yeah, the kombucha peppers are coming in, and the mini tomatoes are looking good. Alrighty. Okay, and let's see what we have here. Yeah, this is the pumpkin. Yeah, hopefully these 3 pumpkin plants will survive. And I've got 2 of each in the cucumbers here. I'll wait a little bit longer and see which ones get biggest, and we'll call the smaller ones. Yeah, and here, these are winged beans here. Yeah, this central one here is a little slow. That's okay. And here we have the arugula. So I'll thin the arugula as well. Yeah, these will be nice in a salad. And once I up-pot these, I'll do a succession planting. Okay, I think that's enough of that for now. Okay, so all of these can go back in and grow stronger. Grow, my lovelies, grow. Alrighty, let's get these back into the tower here. Yeah, I think they have plenty of water, so I'll check on them again in the afternoon. Looking good. Looking very good. And over here, everything looks good. Let me turn this on here. Yeah, the sound will die down after a little while. Okay, very good, very good. The heat pad is still working well. Okay. Alrighty. Very nice, very nice. Okay, let's give everything over here a drink. Just enough. Okay, let's see how we're doing here on this Wednesday morning. A nice level of humidity here. So things are looking okay, except for this here. Let's see what's happening here. Yeah, this is not doing too well. Well, there's not much I can do. I'll just let nature take its course. We'll put it back and see what happens. And we're getting some true leaves on the mini tomatoes. Pumpkin on the left and the cucumbers are doing well. And over here, the edamame, the basil. Yeah, this wing bean looks good. But this one here, not so good. But now I'm a bit curious. These here are edamame. This here is supposed to be a winged bean, but it looks just like edamame. So I'll have to wait and see. Maybe I made a mistake. Okay, the parsley is coming in a little bit. 2 cells haven't sprouted yet. At least I got 4. Okay, the strawberries are looking better. Okay, let's turn this on. Very good, very good. And next over here. Okay, nice growth here. This melon is looking good. And over here, that cucumber. Yeah, and nothing here yet. And no melon here. The marigolds look okay. And the tulips. Getting a little spindly there. I need to lower the light. Yeah, I'll pluck this one out. That's not going to make it. Okay, what is this? The butternut squash here. It looks good. We have some Swiss chard coming in. No bell peppers yet. These were old seeds. Goya, no signs yet. Peru, nothing there. Yeah, we're seeing some movement there. Yeah, I think they'll be fine. And the paprika, not yet. Okay, we'll lower the lights. Yeah, we'll get this nice and low. Okay, we'll do the same with this one here. Get this nice and low. Right about there should be good. Okay, let's get this tied off. There we go. Okay, let's turn this on. Okay, we'll see if this makes a difference. I'll give you an update in the next episode. Yeah, but these are looking good. Yeah, I think these will be okay. And we should see some more growth with the Shinsu runner beans soon. Okay, they should stand up shortly. Okay. And I think next week I'll up-pot these and we'll do a succession planting just to be sure we get a nice crop.